As a part of my Legoland pass, I was able to go to 2 places, Legoland and Sealife. I'm about to go in. I don't know how it's going to compare to the one that we've been to in Orlando, but we'll see. I don't know. I like the one in Orlando. Has a lot of different rooms, a lot of different exhibits that you can see. We'll see what this does. But really excited for you guys to enjoy this as well. This is right next door. You actually can enter it within the park. You don't have to go outside or anything. So it's kind of nice to do that.
Plan for you today. You're going to meet some of my amazing underwater friends. Sealife rescues lots of sick and injured sea creatures, makes them better, and when they're well enough, releases them back into the sea. I keep an eye on things with a little help from my friends. Magnus, he's one high-tech shark with all the gadgets, including one that lets us know he's safe and sound wherever he goes. But hey, that's enough about us. It's time we got underway. Seal those earlobes, Mia. Already tied up, locked and ready to dive. Hold tight, everybody. We're off. Let's raise the periscope and find out exactly where we are. Looks like we're arriving at our destination. Awesome. What a great place to start our dive adventure. It's beautiful here.
Alright, we just got in. This is the Gold Rush River. They have a bunch of freshwater fish. They look like crappie and smallmouth bass. They're looking at me. Weird. I don't like it. Look at that guy. Just sitting there staring at me. Just take a picture. It'll last longer. Just kidding. That's really cool. And then we got a whole bunch of fish right up in here. They have a shark. It's a big bass. I think it's a bass. It's a largemouth bass, maybe? I don't know. Wow. Oh, cool. They have like a little place where you can put your head in. But these are surf perch. They look pretty cool. Oh, cool. They got starfish, and then they have like a wave looking thing. Anemones. They actually move. A lot of people don't know that they move, but they move a lot. So if you have a tank, you'll see it in like a whole bunch of different spots. There's a fish right there. Oh, that girl got a octopus on her surfboard. Oh. Whoa. That's cool. Find a fish. They have a couple activities that you can do. We're gonna go see what the sea is like at night. Wow. That's cool. And then you can see the fish. Oh, they got purple tang. Oh, wow. They got... Oh, I can't remember the name of that tang, but they have a tang there. And they got a purple tang there. Wow. And then they got some shrimp. Surely that can't be all. Oh, you can have a touch area where you can touch the fish. I'm not going to do that. Oh, good. I was like, man, that's a waste. Coral caves? I never even heard of that before. Oh, Amber's fish. They just got fed. Yeah, they're getting fed right now. When that comes out, I just hit the camera. Oops. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that clown right there. They're so pretty. Comment down below if you think I should get a tank. I think Amber would love to have a tank again. I miss having one. They got a cool looking tang over there. They got other cool fish. Oh, you got a Lego diver. So you have fishies up here. You got a diver, and then you got like a little thingamajigger there. You got a shark, and you got a couple fish over here. Wow. Oh, they got a couple groupers. I don't see a lot of predatorial sharks. They got a couple of fish here. This is the kind of tank that I would have. Oh, they got a flame angel. Oh, it just left, disappeared. I don't know if you guys saw it. I always wanted one, and we finally got one. It was great. Oh, where'd it go? Dang. More stuff at night. Oh wow! You got a diver here, working on some coral. Got a big old grouper and a couple sharks. Oh my god! And then you got some lionfish. They're actually poisonous, and they're considered to be an invasive species in Florida, I believe. I think that's what I read. I could be wrong. Oh, Amber, look at these. Because now you're watching this. Look at that pink fish. If you get a tank, you can get one. You got more. Alright, now we have to go upstairs. Let's see what's upstairs. Alright. Oh, cool. Look at that guy. Just sitting there chilling. We got a couple crabs. Oh, they got some cardinals. I love having cardinals. And then you can see down below of all the fishies. That's really cool. I do like cardinals. Amber doesn't because they don't do anything. They just do this. So Amber's like, they're boring. I'm like, yeah, but they're cool. Actually, this is what Amber really wants. She wants a seahorse tank. We got shrimp. I don't see no. Oh, I see a couple fish in there. They got seahorses in there. Oh, there's one right there. And then you got a seahorse right there. Looks like he might be sleeping. They've bred over 1,500 fish. That's cool. Alright. Shark mission. Done it. Oh, I want to rethink so bad. Look at all them clowns. They even have a couple of spots over here where you can still kind of look down and look at the fish. And then another reef tank right here. They have a place to eat, but it's closed. And then you have another place where you can look at the fish. They have a turtle and a couple other fish in there. I like that guy. Just got done with Sealife. Not like Universal or Orlando's at all. It's a little bit different. It's still pretty fun. It's so cool to see some of the fish, but I don't like how organized this one is. There wasn't a lot of exhibits necessarily, but it's still a lot of fun for the kids. A lot of kids, they have like a little diving expedition thing that you can do with the kids and all that kind of stuff. So, but a lot of fun if you like just sitting there just liking to look at the fish and all that kind of stuff. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much. We are Echo Travel Adventures. We are a travel channel based out of Nebraska for the time being. We are really excited that you stopped by, check us out. Don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. That's the only way you're ever going to know. And we're going to be doing a couple more videos out of California, like Disneyland and all that kind of stuff, and Amber will be with me for that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.